All right. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Good evening. Can you also my Dropbox? Yeah. Can you also my Dropbox here?
Yes, yes, I can see it.
Okay. Without wasting much of our time, we understand what Dropbox is all about, and the only difference between Dropbox and OneDrive and Google Drive is not really much. Okay. And Dropbox is actually a cloud storage, you know, that allows you to store and share files online. Okay, and you can also collaborate with people like your team members you're working together with. Okay, now without wasting much of our time, we I want to show you here. Here we have all files. Here we have signatures. You can either sign or request for for someone to sign here for you. This is where you send and this is where you send and track your documents or your file or your folder. Now this is where you get shared. In Google Drive we have shared with me, right? If I'm not mistaken, in Google Drive we have shared with me. Am I right or wrong? Hello, I need an answer. Okay, in Google Drive we have shared with me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
now in Dropbox we have shared. This is where you get all the you can also get all the files that was shared with you. We have file request, okay, where you can request for a file either from your team member or from someone else. This is where you get all your deleted files. Okay, it's like your bin. Okay, it's like your bin. Okay, like your recycle bin, something like that, or your bin. This is an admin console. This is where you do your setup. Okay, this is where you have your start information. Okay, then you can start to create a folder, something like a folder here, and to put some files or document or other items here. Okay, without wasting much of our time here, uh, now under okay, let me show you something here. Hold on. Now under all files, you can upload a file. You can create a file or a folder here, or any other documents, either Google Slide or anything. Then here you can create a folder. They say add team member folder. Okay, you can also edit your PDF file here. You can also share here. Now let's go to upload. Here you see upload or drop. Now you can upload a file. You can do what? Upload a folder, or you can do what? Import from your Google Drive. Okay, now under create here, look at what we have here. You can create a folder, or you can do what? Create automated folder. Now under documents here, unlike Google, we have Google Doc. Now in Dropbox we have Dropbox paper doc. That means Dropbox have their own doc. Now under the document you can also find Google Doc here. I get what I'm saying. That means Dropbox have to pick from where they also have to pick from Google Doc. Okay, like they also have to pick from Google products. Okay, now you can also see Dropbox paper templates if you want to use templates. Okay, now we also have what we call the Microsoft Word here. That means they picked from Google Doc and also picked from where other words companies. Now you can decide to screen record yourself here. You can decide to do what? Do presentation. This is a spreadsheet, like the spreadsheet here. Under spreadsheet here, sorry, under presentation, you can do what we call Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also do what? Google Slide. Okay. Now under spreadsheet here we have what? Excel and what? Google Sheets. I hope you know these are two different companies, right? Are you aware?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah, because now Dropbox has to pick from here and here. Okay. Now you can also do what? Upload. Okay, you can also do what? Edit and sign. Now without wasting much of our time, I want to show you something here on Dropbox. Now you might get a job. Okay, you might get a job in a company and they will send you what we call offer letter, and they will ask you to sign. When you are done signing, what do? You send it back to them, right? Now, many people always get confused when they receive an offer letter. Now, if for example, a company sends you an offer letter and asks you to sign, how do you do that? Okay. Now you, sorry, let me check if I have um, any message here. Okay. Now, if a company sends an offer letter to you and asks you to sign and return it back to them, what do you do? We don't have any offer letter here. Let's go to Chat GPT and create one offer letter. Okay. Can you all see my Chat GPT? Can you all?
Yes, boss.
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can type. You can say kindly give me an offer letter sample, an offer letter sample of a customer service representative. This chat GPT. Okay. Now this is an offer letter.
What? I
Hello.
just claimed.
Can you see an offer letter? Now can
Yes.
you see what we have? Yes. Can you see what we have here now? Can you see what we have here? Now, if for example a company sends this stuff to you and asks you to sign, what do you do? Let's come here and let's copy from here. Okay. We can copy from here. Um, let's copy from here. Okay. Let's copy from here. Copy. Then you go to your Microsoft Word. Let's copy from here. Go to Microsoft Word. Now, do you know what I'm trying to do? I'm actually trying to you know, I don't want to. I'm actually trying to create an offer letter. Okay. Go to these. We already have 2 pages there. Okay. We already have 2 pages there. I can still save it. Okay. Maybe like I should cut from here. No, let me leave it that way. Let me leave it that way. Okay. Now, if a company should send this stuff to you in PDF form and ask you to sign, what do you do? Let me save it here. Okay. Please, do you understand what I'm doing?
Yes.
Okay, I can come here and change it and give it a title, offer letter. Okay, you save. Now let's go back to where we came from. Now I want to upload this file. Now first of all, the company sends this stuff to you and asks you to sign. Okay, you applied for a customer service agent and you're asked to do what? To sign the offer letter and do what? And send it back to them. What do you do? First of all, we have to upload the file. Okay, you go to your documents. Can you see it here? Can you see it here? But I don't. Okay, I didn't save it in. Let me save it in PDF form. Okay, let me save it in PDF format. Okay. Uh, Now this is the PDF format. Okay. Now let me upload the documents here. Go to documents. You can see the PDF format here. You can see the Word document format here. Okay. Now you can decide to upload it. We have a folder here called Clement. I can decide to create another folder titled what offer letter. Okay, but let me add it up here. It falls under paper doc. Let me just leave it that way. Look, please, are you following or you're confused? Are you following or you're confused? Let me know. I don't rush my teaching, or that's something about me.
We are
We are
following. It's clear.
following. We are following.
Okay, now you've uploaded the documents. Okay, now let me open the document for it. This I uploaded the documents here. Now this is the document here right now, and a company asks you to do what? To sign these documents and return back to them. This is an offer letter. What do you do? You can decide to what we'll do save sign. I don't want to do it this way. Let me just open it first so you can see what I'm doing. Let me open it very well. Now this is the document, and a company asks you to sign. Okay, what do you do? Can you see what we have here? Can you see sign here? Hello, can you see what we have here?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we
now
can.
now you can sign. This is where you sign, by yourself. Okay, now if for example you have a document you want to send to your manager to sign for you, okay, you can do what? You click on what? Get signature. Are you get what I'm saying? Let me say for example my manager is not in Nigeria and I have a document I want him to sign for me. Okay, I can decide to do what? Send this document to him and click what? Get signature. I get what I'm saying. That means I'm requesting him to do what? To sign the document for me and send it back to me. Okay. Now, if you're to sign by yourself, what do? You click on what? On where? Sign your what? Yourself. Now, it's coming up. Okay. Now, why is this stuff not showing? Why is it not showing? Okay, it's coming up. Add a signature. Okay, now if you have any signature you already saved, for example, if you sign the first time, sign the second time, Dropbox will automatically save your signature. Okay, are we following?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now it's coming up. I don't want to draw. Let me check the saved one. For example, it's coming up. Okay, these are the signatures that I have done for myself before. Okay, now you can do what? You can decide to choose the one you've done what? You've saved already, and do what? Insert. Okay, we are coming back to this. Okay, you can drop it somewhere here. I'm wondering why this stuff is not that bold like before. I'm wondering why this stuff is actually,
No, I
so.
think you can increase the size. Look at the top right corner where you have 64%. I think you can
Sorry,
increase.
sorry, sorry. Let me check if we can. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Let me just do it.
Okay, you can do.
Let me do it 125. Okay, so it can be bold. Okay, and let me drop it somewhere here. Now you can see you've actually done what? Added your signature here. Okay, you can come under text here. Add a text. You can decide to add a text here. Today's what? Today's what?
Today's what?
22nd.
Today is 22nd, right? Okay, let me do it properly. Sorry, so we can 22nd. Sorry, I don't know why this stuff is hanging. Let me go back to add a test. Okay. I don't know why this stuff is acting this way. see where it's in constant. Now you can decide to. Why is this stuff behaving this way? Sorry guys. No, not even correct myself. I click on edit text instead of add a text. And all of just there they look me. Today is 22nd, right? Today is 22nd of wait 01/2025. Accepted by your name in brackets, okay? You know, if they send a real offer letter to you, I hope you know this stuff will not be here. Are you aware? This candidate's name. This is just a sample from ChatGPT. Hello, are you there? Hello, please let me call you back. I'm in a meeting, okay? Let me call you back.
I think he's having network issues.
No, I'm not.
He stopped sharing the screen. He stopped sharing the
No,
screen.
hold on. Something happened, okay? Something happened. Now, I said if a company should send an offer letter to you, I hope you know this stuff will not be here. This candidate's name. You only have something like accepted by, then they will give you a space where you add your name. Are you aware?
Yes.
Okay. So now we can type here. You can just come here and type let me click on add a text again. I don't know why this stuff is acting funny tonight. Why? I don't know why it's taking time to highlight. I don't know why. Okay, let's add a test here. I can say let me clean this stuff first. I can say Lawful Clement. For those of you who want to know my full name, this is my full name in case.
Attention, call them and have a meeting to address this issue. Otherwise, at the expiration of the warning strike, there is
Joan.
Please mute me. I don't know how it happened again.
Okay, okay, me, I'm not even getting strength to talk for that one self. Okay, now if a company asks you to sign, okay, this is how it's going to be like, okay. This is how it's going to be like, okay. Now this is an offer letter sent to you by a company. You applied for a customer service job, okay. Can you see what we have here? Can you see what we have here? Now, accepted by who? Olofu Clement Obogo. Then this is my signature and the year you signed and accepted the offer letter. Now, let me tell you this now. Accepting an offer letter is different from you doing the job. If you go there, go to speak English, at the end of the day, to do the job with wahala. Please, if you know you're not ready to start applying for jobs, you can start watching the videos from the beginning. If you go speak English for interview, do everything finished, they will hire you, but you can't do the job, now wahala. Now, if you know you're not ready to do what, if you're not ready to start applying for jobs, please take your time. You don't need to rush. Okay. Now, once you're done, what do? You save. Now, can you see what we have here? Preparing your signed documents. Now, it's actually preparing. Now, can you see what we have here? Hello, can you see what we have here?
Yes, sir.
Now, it shows that you've actually signed the documents. Okay. Now, these documents you signed, and you want to send it back, to the HR or the company. What do? You can decide to add a comment here. Okay, you can decide to add a comment here. Maybe something like, sir. Sorry, it's coming up. Man, I don't even understand this Dropbox. So. Okay, you can say, sir, I've I have signed the offer letter. Okay. Then what? Maybe you can do what you share, but before you share, you come here. Can you see what we have here? They say share with Dropbox, transfer a copy, send for signature, send and track, send for what? Review. But you can actually do this one when you're working, with different team members. Okay, you can actually do this one when you're working with different team members. Now you want to share these documents. Okay. Now you can also decide to download it. Okay. Now you want to share it. You click on share. Can you see? You copy the link. Now this is the link. Okay, you can decide to send this link to what to the HR, or you can decide to do what, to download. Now this is the offer letter we downloaded. Can you see the offer letter we downloaded here? Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, you can.
Wait, I want to know whether they only me did this meeting.
We can hear you.
We mute ourselves. That's why we are not
Okay,
responding. We can actually hear you, sir.
okay.
Mr. Clem. Yeah.
Okay, now you can decide to go to your email and resend the offer letter back. Okay, now you can also do presentation, video recording on Google Drive, on Google Doc, sorry, on Dropbox. You can also do what we call Google Slide presentation or PowerPoint presentation on Dropbox. Okay, now Dropbox is kind of deeper. It's deeper than it's deeper than Google Drive and OneDrive. Okay, now for example, let's come to. I want to show you something here. Okay, look at the offer letter here. Now, this one now is signed. We've actually signed this one. Okay, now these ones are not signed. Okay, now this is the first one we uploaded, and this is the second one we did what we signed. You can see we have two different the same document but different words, different features here. Okay, now you can come to, if you want to request someone to sign a signature for you. Okay, you can click on where, on signature here. Now this is where you come to, this is where you click on get signature. Okay, now you want your boss to sign a document for you. You click on what, get signature. Now which document do you want him or her to sign for you? Let's go to Clement and check if we have a document there. Okay, now we've actually signed this one. I signed this one by myself. Okay, I can decide to send this to my boss. For example, this is a document. I'll click on this one. Now you choose. Man, I think this stuff is not network. Oh. The Dropbox is actually loading very slow. Like it's not fast. Hello, can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir. We can see
Yes,
your
we can.
screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here they said add the people who need to sign this document. Okay, I can decide to type please can I have someone's name there? Can I have anybody someone's name?
Margaret.
Okay, Margaret.
M.
Okay,
Yeah.
Margaret. Okay, Margaret, can I have
Yeah.
your email?
Margaret Mewe. That's Margaret
Uh-huh.
MEWE
WE. Margaret
at
Mewe
gmail.com.
at
Yes, sir.
gmail.com. Okay, you add. Okay, now we've
Yeah.
added Margaret here. You save. Save a copy or replace original. Anyone you want to go for, you can click on should we replace original? Just you can click save a copy. Man, Dropbox they very heavy. Oh. Like it behaves like Windows 11. Hello, please can you also my screen?
Waiting the network.
It's not network. It's not network. Okay. Hello, can you also my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, I think we've added a Margaret here. Okay. You share. No, I'm not sure we've added Margaret here. I'm not sure.
You were trying to replace original copy or save copy, then whatever happened, happened.
Sorry, let's go back to where we came from. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Let's go back to where we came from. This signature. You can decide to do it from any angle. You must not come through here. Okay, you must not come through here. There are many ways you can ask someone to sign. Okay, we will on get signature. Okay, then the file is there. Um, you can pick this one. Then you choose. I bet we drive a car here now.
I believe person is no.
This thing is not network issue. It's not network. It's actually from Dropbox. You know, Dropbox is kind of it's very heavy. It's like Windows 11.
I'm having the same problem you're having from my end.
Okay, from your
I
end,
don't
right?
know. Yes, because I'm using my phone to listen to you, and yeah, I think it's slow generally.
Okay, okay. Margaret, then Margaret Mewe.
Yes. There's an A after the G.
Okay, okay,
before R18.
okay. Margaret Mary at gmail.com.
Yes, Mr. Clams.
Okay, that means it's not from my side only. Let's replace original and see how it goes. Okay, all changes made will save as original PDF. Everyone with access to this file will see the changes. Okay, but when it comes to Dropbox, there's nothing much to do on Dropbox. It's just for you to sign and share files here and there, just like the same thing you have in Google Drive.
Okay.
Means if I dey do fast, no enter hotspot, go do better work there. Nothing there Dropbox to do. This stuff is still loading. There is something that is not showing here. Okay. Margaret, did you get any notification from your end?
Hold on, sir. I want to check. No,
Why?
no,
Okay, let me add
no.
you. Let me add you manually. Call your email. Let me add you from this way. Margaret Mail, right?
Margaret. Mary, yes, sir.
This is your email,
M
right?
A. Yes, this I'm giving the right spelling. Margaret. You got it
Yeah.
at gmail.com. I get it. I'll let you
Now
know.
they say offer letter shared. Now check your email and see if you've gotten it.
Okay, I'm right here.
Have you?
Not yet, sir. Hold on.
The document has been sent to you, so why check?
I'm I'm checking now. The last message I received was 7 p.m.
You can refresh. You can refresh.
Can she
That, that,
check her Google Drive?
that's what I, no, no, no. This is email, not Google Drive. This is email, not Google Drive, madam.
Now you can also check your Google Drive too. Yeah, it
Okay.
may appear there.
Check shared with me on Google Drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, am I the only one my Dropbox is loading very slowly, or is it just, or is it general
No,
stuff?
somebody just said her own is the same.
You're not the only one. I'm
General,
I'm
sir.
experiencing the same thing also.
It's general. It's general issue.
Okay.
It's doing refreshing. My
It's still refreshing.
yes. Hasn't come. I normally get my mails really fast.
Yeah, maybe it may come later, it may not, or it may come later because you got the notification. It said offer letter shared, so you should get notification from your end. Okay. Now
Okay.
unlike create here. Unlike create here, let me check something. Unlike create here, you can decide to create this presentation here. Okay, you can decide to do what, create PowerPoint presentation, or Google Slide words presentation. Okay, please, do we all know how to do this?
Okay, what
No,
you just did?
no.
Do we all know how to do it?
No.
Okay, let me
No.
let me see. Let's start from the other one
No,
first.
sir.
I'm coming. Let's start from the other one. Okay. Let's start from Microsoft PowerPoint. Please, once you're done talking, you off your mic, okay?
Okay.
Okay. It's still loading. Sorry, this stuff is loading. Ah, man. Today class. Okay. Now, you can decide to come here. First of all, you give it a title. You can type here. This is a heading, okay? We are trying to do a kind of presentation now. This is a heading. Why is this stuff? It's still loading. It's still loading. Okay. This is bad government, for example. This is your heading. Are we following? This stuff here is your heading. Man, the network is very bad, though. Like the Dropbox is actually it's slowing me down. Okay, now this is heading. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, this is heading. Okay, then you can decide to color this stuff. You can decide to make it what is it called? I don't know this color. I don't even know the color. This stuff here is the heading. Then you can come here and type effects of bad sorry, is it bad governance or bad government? Which one? Of bad in
Bad governance.
our society. Okay. Now this is a presentation, okay? This presentation we are doing, okay? Now this is the first slide here. Okay? Then you can add another slide here. Sorry, I'm coming. Why is that? It should be here now. Why is it not showing?
You insert a new slide.
No. I don't want like there's a button for it. There's a button for it. I don't want to go through this side. Okay, there's always a button for it. Like if you don't want to go through insert, there's a shortcut for it. I can't find the button here. Okay, you click on new slide. Now this is the first one here. Okay, bad government, effect of bad government. Okay, then the second slide we can talk about maybe a case study of, I beg, mention one bad governor, I beg, a case study of
Paper terms.
Yaya Bello.
a case study of Yaya Bello. Okay, now under a case study of Yaya Bello, we are going to look at fraudulent, for example, we are going to look at fraudulent activities. Okay,
Yeah.
we're going to look at
Mismanagement of funds.
please can you mute your mic? Please can you mute your mic? Mismanagement of funds. We are going to look at let's say the guy is into child trafficking. Okay.
Money laundering.
Money laundering it falls under fraudulent activities now. Okay, then I think mismanagement of funds also falls under fraudulent activities. Okay, then the next one we are going to look at is maybe uh, okay, we can leave it
It's
that.
Abuse of power.
insecurity.
Maybe insecurity, yeah.
Insecurity.
Drug trafficking.
Man, this thing gave me very heavy for hand. This Dropbox is very heavy. Like it's like Windows 10, Windows 11. Who is using Windows 11 here? I hate Windows 11. Okay. Um. Now, now we've created slide here. Okay. Now you can decide to share this stuff. You can decide to share this stuff to someone. Maybe during your presentation, he or she can be controlling your screen from his or her angle with any desk. Now you'll be presenting. Oh, are you following? You are presenting, okay, but you're not making use of any remote to control your slide. Someone is there to do it for you. Are we following? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are
now
following,
now
but we are
now now
muted.
now okay, now let's say you are done with this stuff and you want to share it with someone. You click on share. Now have it in mind that if you're working on a presentation, it saves automatically. Okay, it saves what automatically as you're typing. The thing they save automatically. Then let's say once you're done, what do? You share. Let's click on share. And this stuff is loading very, very slow. I don't know why. Please, is your own clicking over there? Is your own clicking? Is your own clicking? Like if you're following me, is your own clicking?
Yes, yes. Mine clicks.
See, now when my own they come
Yes.
up. See, now when my own they come up. Okay. Now, if you want to share this file, you can come here and do what? And change it to what? Can view. Anyone with this link can do what? Can view it. You do what? You copy. Okay. Let me copy this. Let me drop this stuff in the comment section. Anybody can pick it up and view. Please, can you check from your end and know if you can view this stuff that I just posted on the chat section? Can you view it? Hello, can anyone view it? The link I posted on the chat session.
I just viewed it.
Okay, you viewed the presentation, right?
Yes, Mr. Florence.
Okay. Dropbox is all about you sharing, presenting, signing, and all those stuff. But let me close this stuff. Please, before we move ahead, do you have any question before we move ahead?
Yes, I want to ask you a question, Mr. Clay.
Okay.
Um, I don't know, maybe it was network. I didn't get well when you were explaining how to sign the document and send back to the company that gave you offer letter. I didn't understand how you signed the document.
Okay. Um, there are two ways you can. Okay, after signing a document, there are two ways you can forward the document back. Either you forward it as an image, or you forward it as a link, where the person will click the link and do what and view your signed document. Okay, either you download after signing, you download, then after downloading you can now send it as what, as a PDF, in a PDF format, or as an image, or you can send it as a link, to the person to view. Now I said you can I said, for example, this is an offer letter. Okay. Okay, let's say, for example, this is an offer letter, and the company asks you to sign this offer letter. Okay, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. Now, now, like I told you guys before that there are many ways you can sign your letter. You can come to signature here, or can you see where we have offer letter here? You can decide to come here on this three dot and click what where is that stuff? Save sign. Can you see it here? So can you see this stuff here?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, let me click on it. Man, I didn't want to go back to this stuff. Like, man, the Dropbox is not giving me joy. Like, it's not loading fast, and it seems to be very dull. Okay, now a company asks you to sign. Okay. Let me increase it first. Let me increase it to 150. Okay, now a company asks you to sign the offer letter and send it back to them. What do you do? Can you see sign here? Can you see sign?
Yes.
You click on sign. Now there are two ways to to do this stuff. Okay, you can decide to add your already existing signature which you created. Okay, you can decide to add it there. Now, are you aware? Hello, are you aware you can sign your signature on a paper, scan it, and upload on your Google Doc, on your Dropbox? Are you aware? Like, if you don't want to go through all this stuff, you can do. Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
No.
I
Now,
wasn't aware.
okay. Now you can use a paper on and sign. Once you're done signing, you take a picture of it with your phone, upload it. What is it called? Upload it to your photo or image or anywhere. Then you can go to BG remover, which is background remover. Upload it on background remover. Then change the background to plain white. Once you are done with that, you upload it on your drive. Then once you are done with that, you can also upload it where on your Dropbox and save it as a saved signature. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is how you do it. You use your pen and paper. You sign your signature on the paper. Then you upload the paper as a picture. Then you now upload the picture in BG remover. There's what we call BG remover, an app you can use in changing your background. You change the background to white, upload it on your Dropbox, and save it. Okay, now if you don't want to make use of if you don't want to make use of um if you don't want to make use of your saved signature, you can come here and click on draw. Can you see draw here? Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
we can see
okay,
draw.
now once you are done with this, what do? You insert. Now this is the signature we signed. Okay, you can minimize it. Can you see what we have here now? Hello, the person that asked me a
Yes, we
question.
can
Can you see
see
what we
it.
have here? Then you can
Yes,
Yes.
then
sir.
then you can decide to add a date, which is where under test. You click on add a test. Okay. You can type under add a text here, you can add a date. Okay, today is 22nd, right? Slash 01/20/25. Then you add it up here. Please, when you get an offer letter tomorrow, all these things you go do am o. Okay, then if you sign finish, you no put your date, you're wrong. Okay, then I hope you know, like I told you before, if a company should give you a real offer letter, this stuff will not be here. Where you have candidate's name, it won't be there. You only have something like accepted by, then colon. They will not give you a space where you do what, where you type your name. Are we following? Hello, are we following?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
then
sir.
okay, then
Yes, sir.
then once you're done, what do? You save. Yeah, this stuff is taking too much time. The Dropbox is not encouraging. Sorry, let me see what we have in the comment section here. Okay, I viewed it from my end. Okay, man, this stuff is still loading. Now, can you see what we have here now? If you check up here, you can see we have signed here. That means we've signed the document. Okay, we've signed the document and we've added a date on it. So you can download this stuff here. Okay, you can click on download and you download it, or you can do what, you can share. Now this is the download here. This is the offer letter that we signed. Okay, can you see it here? Yeah, you will. Okay, you will. Now this is the documents we signed. Okay, these documents we signed. Please, do we have any question? There's nothing much to do on Dropbox here. Dropbox is just like your Google Drive. I think I even wasted too much time here. Hello.
Yes, we should move to something else since you said there's no much to do here.
Do we have any question before we move on? Do we have any question?
Please, I have a little question.
Okay.
See, I found out that you have two documents on your background, like the place you signed the signature. How did you import the second one? Because I'm trying to replicate. It's not working out on my end.
Where?
Like I find that you have two documents, two different documents.
This one here.
Yes.
Now you can see here we have three documents here. This is the signed one. Okay. This is the edited one.
Yeah.
This is the edited one. This is the signed one, and this is the original copy that I uploaded.
Okay.
So now,
Okay, just one.
So now, if you upload any file and I edited the file, it will show edited. If I sign, it will show signed, and the original one will also be there.
Alright.
Okay.
Yes.
Please, can you off your mic? Okay. Please, without wasting much of our time, let's move into hotspots properly and let's get started. All right. Can you also see my hotspot accounts?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, hotspot is like a one-stop shop. Okay. And under hotspots, there are so many things you do on hotspots. A whole lot. Hotspot itself, I see it as an Africa, or I can even say hotspot is bigger than Africa. Let me just use that um, um, that kind of statement, which you and I know it may not be right, it may be wrong. Okay, and without wasting much of our time, we are going to do a whole lot of practicals here. Okay, we are going to do a whole lot of practicals here. Now, if you check here, so let me expand this stuff. Okay, now here we have our workspace. Now, please, if you're following me, help me check your own may not be this way. Okay, your own may not be this way. Okay, because this is a new interface that I'm using a new interface. Okay, now under workspace here we have the sales and we have the help desk. I hope you all understand the meaning of help desk, right? Do you understand the meaning of help desk?
No, I don't understand.
Please, do you understand the meaning of help desk?
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay, the person that said yes, please can you tell them?
Yes.
The person that said yes, can you tell them?
So the meaning of help desk is where you go to, where you ask questions.
Support.
Okay, I'm listening to you. I'm hearing you. Yeah, I'm hearing you. Hello, I'm hearing you.
Auntie, you not talk again.
I'm hearing you.
You know anything.
Okay,
Please,
Let me
can you
try.
sorry, help desk.
Should I
maybe her
try?
network is
Yeah,
bad?
yeah, I can hear
Desk is
you.
Help Desk is a support service designed to provide assistance. Let's say if you go to any organization, there's somebody at the front that is already available to help you, to
Available to
assist
help.
you. You understand?
Yeah.
Like if you go to
Mm-hmm.
any firm, be it a bank, any
A support,
organized firm,
a
there is
support
someone that will
where you
be
ask
in
Please,
front.
hello,
questions.
please, if you're not talking, can you mute your mic? Ujunwa, please, can you mute your mic? Someone is talking.
Can I continue?
Yeah, you can.
Yes. So any organization that you go to, so far it is formal or even informal, there is someone that is in front waiting to offer solutions or proffer solutions or help in any way. Like if you go to bank, you have a customer service. There are so many IT departments also in companies. Some, even your MTN, if you go to MTN office, the common ones that we see around us, when you enter the office, there are people there seated there waiting to help you. So those are help desks.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm right, but from my
Gift.
own understanding.
Yeah, gift Emmanuel. Thank you very much. You tried. Okay, but always know the difference between when someone says what is and explain what you understand by help desk. Okay, now you tried, you got the answer, but you were only doing what? Giving explanation. Okay, now do we have someone says where you lay complaint customer service section. Someone says where we can get support. Okay, that's fine. Now without wasting much of our time, I want to show you something here. Okay, for here, this is where you have your CRM. Under CRM you have your contacts, you have your companies, you have your deals, like you know what we call deals, right? All the transactions and everything. This is where you have your tickets. This is where you have your list. Under list you have active and what? Passive. This is where you have your inbox. This is where you have your calls, and this is where you have your task. Now under marketing, this is where you do your campaign. Okay, email, social media, social ads, events, form, CTAs, SMS. I need to know the meaning of this stuff. Okay, I think this is a new feature here. It wasn't here before. Okay, here we have buy intents and we have what? List scoring. Then under contents, here where you have your web pages, landing page, blog, podcast, case studies, embed, knowledge base, customer portal, remit, SEO, and membership. Then under comments, this is where you have your overview, payment, invoice, payment link. Man, they've added so many things here. Then this is where you do your automation, your workflow, your sequence, your chart flow, your survey. This is your reporting. Under reporting,
Mira,
we have sales and
mira,
we have
now
person go
control.
just dey call miracle for a live session. This is how you go for a live interview, for a job interview, and you be calling miracle. Okay, now for the purpose of tonight, we want to
Now you
look.
should okay, them car. You know, you know, maybe.
Rose Okoro, please, can you mute your mic?
Okay. Sorry, sorry.
Madam, mute your mic. Just tell me sorry. Mute your mic. Can we just behave ourselves once and for all? Can we? Then tonight we want to look into the CRM. And under the CRM, we have the contacts, we have the companies, and have it in mind that um, contacts here has to do with what individuals, and company has to do with what organization. And in every company we have contacts that do what that represent them. Are we following? Every company has a representative. Now the question is, can a contact represent a company? Can a company represent a contact? Now you should answer that question on your own. Now under contacts here, let me sorry before we, let me just do this stuff. Let me close this stuff here. Now under contacts here, sorry, it's actually loading. Sorry, it's coming up. Now under contacts here, you can see we have total of 12 record, which is what 12 contacts here. Now if you're working in a company, have it in mind that all the contacts may not be your contacts. Are we following? Hello, are we following?
Yes, please.
Now, now all the contacts may not. Please mute your mic, okay? All the contacts may not come from you because we might have contact that comes from the sales department, from the marketing department, because you're not the only one working in that company. Are we following? Now, you can decide to work on your contacts based on contact owner, based on creation date, based on your last activity, based on lead status. Now, for example, let's say you want to work on all your open contacts, or all your contacts in progress, all your open deal contacts, all your unqualified contacts, all your attempted to contact contacts, all your connected contacts, all your bad timing contacts, or all your or unassigned contacts. Okay, you can work on a contact based on what on based on their list status now. Okay, now if for example you want to work on your contacts, let's say here we have 12 record, and out of that 12 record I want to work on my own contacts. Okay, I can decide to come here and click what contact owner. Now let me choose let me click uh let's say these are different agent or customer service in this company. Okay, let's say under Mr. Claims, how many contacts do we have under Mr. Claims here? Let me click on Mr. Claims and check. Now you can see we don't have any contacts under Mr. Claims. Okay, now let's click on me. Let me click on me. Now under me there's no contacts there. Let me click on claims 111. Now we don't have any contact there. Let me click on claims 2251. Now you can see, hello, you can see under claims 2251 we have two contacts here. Are you following? Hello, are we following?
Yes, yes,
Now
please.
under
Yes.
claims 2251 we have what? We have two contacts here. Okay. Now I want to show you how. Let me take this stuff out. We have a whole lot to do under this contact tonight. Now let's say for example you want to import a contact into your HubSpot account. Please, do you all know how to import a contact? So I won't waste my time there. Do you all know how to import?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
I do. I don't know for others.
please, do we all know how to import a contact?
No.
No.
Now,
No.
do you all know how to export a contact?
Yes.
Okay, now let's say for example, most times in a company there's what we call the lead generation experts. Okay, the lead generation people, they go out there, get contact of people, and they will bring it in, and the customer service agents might be the one to create or import all the contacts. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, if for example we are asked to go and look for all the makeup artists in Abuja, and once we are done with the contact, what do? We should bring them into our CRM as what? As lead. Now have it in mind that a lead is not yet your contact. Are you following? Hello. When someone is a lead, the person is not yet your contact. The person is not yet your customer. Sorry to say. Are we following? The person is not yet what? Your customer. You are still trying to do what? To convert the person into your what? Into your potential customer. Are we following? Now, for example, I don't know if I should do this with Google Map again. I don't know if I should do it with Google Map. Please, do you all know how to generate leads on Google Map?
No.
No.
Okay, let's go to Google Map and do one or two things there. Okay. Um, Let me go to Google Map. Let me use my Chrome. Sorry. Let me use Google Map. Now, if for example um, you're asked to look for makeup artist in Abuja, your company says you should go out there and generate leads for them, like 100 leads of all the makeup artists in Abuja. You can use the Google Map and type. I think by next week, April will teach you lead generation. Okay, then you know how to can generate leads from different platform. Okay, like the platform there's a software we call Apollo.com, Lemlist, Yep Scraper, and so on. Okay, now if you want to do it on Google Map, you can come here and type list of. You can type makeup artists um, in Abuja. Let's see how many we have here. Okay, you can see what we have here, right? Hello, are you following?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now once you're done with this, what do? You type Control A. I'm coming. Sorry. Now, once you're done with it, you type Control A. You copy. Okay. Now, once you copy, you can go to your Chat GPT. Once you copy, you can go to Chat GPT and type something like. Now we want to arrange them in our Excel sheet. Okay, then import them into our hotspot. Are you following? Okay, you can go to your Chat GPT. Please, are you following or you're confused? Let me know.
Yes, we are following.
Okay, now once you are done, you can go to ChatGPT and type you can type arrange, okay, arrange these please can you mute your mic? Hello, please can you mute your mic? Can you mute your mic? Please can you mute your mic? Please Faith, please can you mute your mic?
I'm muted though.
You're not muted. Can you mute your mic? Man, are we doing this intentionally? That is the question. Are we doing this intentionally? Adults. Ah, oh, wow. Then you can now the contacts we got from where? From Google Map. We want to arrange them in an Excel sheet format, okay? You can come here and type arrange these details in this format, okay? In this format, comma, you can in this format, comma, you can type company name, name, phone numbers, emails, address, okay, and address, okay. Then you can also say create these in a tabular words, in a in a tabular in a tabular form, okay. Then you press shift enter, control V, you click enter. Now the contacts we generated from where? What is it called? From Google Map. Okay, you can see the stuff here, right? Now your own may not appear this way. Please have it in mind that your own may not appear this way. Your own might show you something like download into CSV. Are we following? Your own might show you something like download into what? CSV. You may not have it in a tabular form like this. Hello, are we following?
Yes.
Now have it in mind that most times they may not give you the emails of these people. Okay, you can see they only gave us their phone number. They didn't give us any email. Are we following? Now if you want to copy this and paste in your Excel sheet, what do? You highlight from here, okay, you highlight from here and here. Then you right click and do what? Copy. Once you are done with that, you go to your Excel sheet or your Google you go to your Google, you go to your sheet, you click on blind. Now can you see what we have here now? What do? You click here and do what? And type Ctrl V. Once you type Ctrl V, the stuff you copied from what is it called? You copied from ChatGPT will appear this way. Then you can now decide to do what? To arrange them what? Properly. I know say this Excel they do use some of them like film. Some of them don't know how to use Excel. Now we are going to insert email here because we need email to work
Yes,
with.
I'm one of them.
You are one of them. Find
Yes, sir.
business center around you, go learn Excel.
I
Okay, sir.
sabi Excel. Oh.
Maybe like 1 week.
Now I need an email to work with. Please
Please,
can
sorry, Mr. Claim. Sorry, please. Sorry for the interruption. Please, I have a question.
okay, ma.
Please, whenever I try asking Chat GTP to help me format my information from my search, maybe when I search on Google for the various lead, it will always give me in a written form. I've
No,
spoken all the grammar that I
no,
know,
no.
put in a tabular form, put in a Excel sheet, yet it will give me in a written form.
Now have it in
I don't
mind.
know why.
Have it in mind that when it comes to Chat GPT, you have to be very careful. Your prompt matters a lot. Okay, if you don't prompt ChatGPT very well, it will give you anyhow results. Okay, ChatGPT is like garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you give to ChatGPT, that is what it will give you. Okay, you must learn how to use. You must learn how to prompt ChatGPT very well. Am I following?
That is what I'm saying. This exactly what you wrote here now on your chat GTP. I asked it to help me format this information, putting it in tabular form. Then I specify company name, email name. Then it wrote it out instead of putting it in a tabular form for me, just like your own appeared. So I don't know where the problem is.
Maybe we'll look into that later. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Maybe you check
Okay,
the
thank you.
Now,
maybe you
Thank
please.
you.
check the type you are using. So
Please, can I get email to fill here? Can I get emails? Can I?
margaretmary@gmail.com.
Juliet.
Wait, hold
Oh
on.
God.
Just a minute. Just Margaret what? Mayway.
Yes.
Please, can you mute your mic? I'm recording this stuff. Can you mute your mic? Please, can you mute your mic? Margaret Mayway. Can we have the next person? What?
Anifancy01
Sir.
Anifancy01 at
You
gmail
you
dot
don't
com.
no. You need to spell it for me. That is the truth.
ANNIEF
Uh huh. EF. Okay. Like this.
01. Yes, 01.
Is it the Annie that bought a laptop from me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Annie in Kaduna, in Kano.
In Kano, yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Thank
Then I
you.
can add my own email.
But Mr. Clems, I want to ask a question. If we don't have their email, how do we get them?
How do you get them? That's why Google Map may not give you their emails, but it may give you their phone numbers. You can actually use other softwares to do that, like Apollo.com, Lamlist, and so on. Okay.
Those ones will generate everything.
Yeah, not everything. Like sometimes in Apollo will even give you their website link, their LinkedIn profile, their Twitter handle, their location, their Gmail, and everything. I think you learn Apollo either this week or next week. Okay. Please can I get
Okay,
can I
thank
can
you.
I get another email? Let me have claims
Okay.
2251@gmail.com.
Ujunwa
Mary
Juliet.
Frances Christie
Okoro
at
Rose.
gmail.com.
What?
Okoro
Mary
Rose.
Frances
Wait,
Ujunwa
Christie
wait.
at
Juliet.
I'm coming.
Okoro
gmail.com.
Rose 727
727
Mm,
at
at
gmail.com.
gmail.com.
No one that just make noise. True, you be okoro.
Cindy.
Ujunwa Juliet.
Informa
Wait, wait,
Ujunwa
Cindy.
wait,
Juliet.
wait. Informer what?
Ujunwa Juliet.
Cindy.
Uh-huh.
Mm,
2020.
At
Ujunwa
gmail.com.
Juliet. Ujunwa
Yes.
Juliet 0093 at gmail.com.
Ujunwa be coming down.
Uju,
Ujunwa Juliet.
Ujunwa Juliet, right?
Juliet 0093 at gmail.com.
Divine Love Authority at gmail.com. You want call phone number?
At gmail.com. Please, I wanna give you guys advice, okay? Now,
Mm-hmm.
I wanna give you guys advice. Please make sure that you always use an authentic email in your CV or in your resume. Some of you will use
Mm-hmm.
something like Queen something fancy gold or
Pretty,
pre,
Pretty Joy.
no or pretty I don't know.
Exo
Oh, Miss
Morania.
Miss Blessing, Miss Blessing.
Please,
Mr.
please,
Clems, is it
okay,
your
okay, please, just be careful, okay?
Electronics.
Then can you see the way we arrange this stuff now? Okay.
Mm.
Now once you are done with this stuff, what do? You come here and give it a title. You can title it makeup. um Please mute your mic.
Properties.
Makeup artist in Abuja. Okay. Then what do? You click on file, download as what? As CSV. You you save.
Sir, please share your screen, sir.
What do you say?
Your screen, we can't see your screen, sir.
You can.
log in and log out? His
We
screen is
can see
showing.
his screen. No, his screen is visible.
It's
Okay,
showing log in and log out.
okay. Now we please we want to import the contacts. Let's say your company sends you out to go and generate contact for for the company, okay, and the company says
Please,
they need a list of all the makeup art.
screen is not showing.
Hi, good
I
Log
can't
in
see
and log
your
out.
screen.
man, as well. Okay,
My gender.
Ha.
now your company says you should go and get list or contact of people who are into makeup who are into makeup in Abuja, and so far you've gotten like 12. Okay, you've gotten like 12. Now you want to import the contacts into your where into your hotspot. Okay, now what do we do before we import? Can you see what we have here? We have one here titled the footwear. Okay, the footwear here, you can see you can see what we have here is not assigned to anybody. Okay, they said nobody is in charge of this contact. What did you can decide to do was to assign it to who? To claims 2251. Then the Abba shoemaker here is not assigned to anybody. You can decide to do what? Assign it to who? To Mr. Clems Olofu. Okay, now if I check my email, I'll get a notification that says a contact has been what? Assigned to you. Okay, now we want to import the contact we generated from Google Map. What do we do? um you click on import contacts. After this importation and exportation, we will now do the main stuff for the day. Okay, now you click on what? Import a file. You click the next one, start import. Now what do you want to import? Contacts. Okay, now if you click on company may not work out. You know why? Because before you import a company, you must have what? A domain name. Okay, you can't import a company without what? A domain name. There must be a domain name. So what we want to import is what? We want to import what? Contacts. You click on what? You click on next. Now you click on where? Choose a file. You click on where? Download. Can you see what we have here? Makeup artist wear in Abuja. You open. Once you are done, you click where? You click next. Scanning. Then they say ready to import contacts. Can you see what we have here now? Why? Why do we have 7?
Yes, we can see it.
Wait, now 7 contacts there. How many contacts do we have there? Is it 7?
I think it's up to 7 because
Okay.
we're adding a lot of emails.
No, it's 8. Okay, no, okay, it's 7. No, it's 7.
Okay,
Yeah, can you
it's
see?
7.
Yeah, it's 7.
Yes.
Yeah.
The subject is long.
Yeah. No. I made a mistake because I didn't place my cursor well. Okay, my cursor was here when I copied when I pasted this stuff. Okay, so I made a mistake. My cursor should have been somewhere here. Okay, but my mouse was somewhere. My cursor was somewhere here, which was not supposed to be that way. Okay, now
Please, Mr. Clem, I have a question
I'm
here,
coming.
please.
I'm coming. Can
How
we?
did you
How did I do what? How did I do what?
your how you saved it? How you saved it?
Can I
Like
import?
in your
Can I
Google sheet.
can I import this stuff first because we don't want to go back to this. Okay. Now can you see what we have here? It says 0 errors found of what? 7 rows scanned. That means we are good to go. You do what? You click on next. Okay, now they're asking you to create a contact list from these imports. No, I don't want to create a contact list. Create a contact list. There's what we call contact list, whereby a contact list is where you separate, like you can say you can put all the makeup artists together, all the electronics dealers together, all the shoemakers together. You create a list for them. Okay, we don't want to do that now. The next thing you do is to do what? Agree. Once you agree, what do you do? They say finish what? Import. You click. Now they say your import is what? Processing. Now look at what we have here. We have import rules 7, new record 6, updated record was 1. Then let's go back to our contact and check how many contacts we have there. Please can you mute your mic? Please can you mute your mic? Thank you. Um, okay, you can see all the contacts here, right? You can see Margaret Merway claims 2511. You can see Ifoma Cindy here. You can see Okoro Rose the noisemaker. You can see Ujunwa the noisemaker. Okay, you can see other ones here. Now we have total of what? We have total of 18 records now. That means our contacts have done what? Have increased. Now let's say for example we uh let's say for example we want to, okay, sorry, let me Margaret, can you call your phone number for me? Margaret Mewe, can you call your phone number for me?
081.
Calm down, no be account number.
Yes, sir.
081.
68
Okay.
28
Okay.
73
Okay.
71.
71. Okay.
Yeah.
Apply. Okay. Okay, because do you know what I want to do? I want us to work with your own contacts, okay, so that
Yes, sir.
you can get a notification, okay. Now if you check here,
Okay, sir.
all the contacts we imported, they are not assigned to anybody. Can you see? All the contacts we imported they are not what? Assigned to anybody. We can decide to come here and assign this contact to who? I can decide to assign this contact to claims, okay. Assign this one to now let me day here. Now let me just let me
Sorry, please. Why is the makeup artist not showing?
makeup artist is just a title. These are the makeup artists in Abuja. Look at them here now.
No, it's
But
just
the
the
names
emails.
are
These
the
people's
names are
emails
the
that you
are
used.
the emails also.
Wait, hold on first. Hold on. I'm coming, hold on. This one are one of them now. Let me show you something. Just hold on. You know,
My Dropbox
no,
mail just
hold on,
entered.
hold on. This is the company names. Who is Glam the Informa?
Yes,
Informa Cindy. This is not your company name,
yes.
right? It's not.
No, it's not.
Yeah, because we there was no email for them. Are you get what I'm saying? There
Okay.
was no email for the company name, so I had to use Informa Cindy to represent this company called what is it called? Is it Glams Nenye? Okay, then let me go back and show.
Glams by name.
Yeah, let me show you. Okay, Glams by Nenye. Yeah, let me show you another one here. Let me open another contact and show you too. Margaret, let me open Margaret's own and show you right now. Okay.
Mr. Clems, please, will this video be dropped for us?
Yeah. Can you see what we have here? We have JMO Glam Makeup Studio. Can you see? Can you see now? If you go to, sorry, excuse me. Now, if you go to our Google Sheet now, let me show you. If you go to, can you see the stuff here? Can you see the JMO here? JMO Glam Makeup. Okay. Can you see JMO Glam Makeup here? Hello. Can you see JMO Glam Makeup here?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, you can.
That's the company's name.
Yeah. So let me open company here and know if they will also appear here, because sometimes it appears that way too. Okay, no, they are not. Okay, we wanna work with a contact. Now the same way you imported a contact, you can also export a contact that way. Now the reason why you are exporting a contact, sometimes you might have issue with your what, with your CRM. Okay, now you might have issue with your software and you want to contact your let's say your customers. Okay, now if for example you might decide to open your hotspot, and contact your customers, and at that moment hotspot is not working or opening. What do? You go to you go to your Excel sheet and copy what all the contacts you want to work with. Okay, that's why it's always good to do what, to export your contacts and also do what, import your contacts. Now if you want to import all these contacts here, you click on them, you highlight all. Okay, you highlight all, click on where, click on what, export. Please, do you know how to export contact? Let's not waste time here and go to the main details of this stuff. Do you know how to
No, sir.
now you
It's just downloading.
now thank you. Now you click on export. Okay, you go ahead, there's nothing much to do here. Now can you see what we have here? Okay, if you go to your download now, it's there. Look at them here. These are the contacts we exported from our hotspot. Now look at them here. Can you see all of them here? So once you're done, you can do what, you can start to do what, arrange them what, properly. Okay, let's not waste much time here. Then once you're done, you can also give them a name and save it as usual. Okay, now we want to work with this contact called Margaret Mewe. And now I want to enter the main business of the day. Now we want to work with Margaret Mewe. Okay, let's say for example, Margaret Mewe, um, Margaret Mewe has an issue that has to do with maybe bad network. Okay, let's work with DSTV. Okay, let's assume Margaret Mewe said his decoder is not working properly. You can come to notes here and make a note concerning Margaret Mewe. You can say Margaret Mewe decoder is not functioning, something like that. Functioning properly. She needs our words attention. You're not creating a ticket, so every time you're not creating a ticket, you're just what, creating a note. Okay, then on that to-do list here, can you see to do here? You are trying to make a to-do under where, under Margaret Mewe. What you want to do in Margaret Mewe's what account? Hello.
Hi, we
Yeah,
are here.
we are with you, sir. Just paying attention and we are muted.
Okay, I beg more than mute, I beg. Okay, now Margaret Mewe, these are the things you want to do under Margaret Mewe. Okay, now you can come here and create what to do. What do you want to do? Maybe a follow-up was email under Margaret Mayway. You want to do a kind of follow-up email, okay? Maybe in 3 days time, or in 2 business days, or maybe tomorrow. Okay, now by tomorrow you want to do what? You want to do a kind of follow-up what? Email, which was Margaret what? Mayway. You save the notes. Now the note is a kind of reminder on what you want to do on with Margaret Mayway's what? Account. Are we following? It's a kind of what? A reminder. Okay, now now you can see what we have here under activity. Here we have what? A follow up with what? Margaret what? Mayway. This is a note. Margaret Mayway's decoder is not what? Functioning what? Properly. Now here you can see that Margaret Mayway is not representing what? Is not associated with any company. We can decide to associate Margaret Mayway with a company. I get what I'm saying. Now what we imported was contact, not was company. Now you can decide to go to your CRM and also create what? A contact. Okay, and also you can decide to do what? Create what? A company. Now if we wanted to import, what is it called? If we wanted to import that stuff we got from Google Map as a company, we have to add a domain name before we can import them as a company. But because there was no domain name, we have to do what? Import them as what? Contact, and not what? Company. Please, are you following? Do you understand what I mean? Now for example, let me show you what I mean. Now if for example we we want to import this stuff as a company, there must be a domain name here. Okay, there must be what? Domain name. You can't import without what? Domain name. Then another domain name here, you can type jmore.com. Okay, the other one, ultra what? Is it ultrapink.com? Okay, these are what? These are domain names. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now without domain name, you cannot import them as what? As contacts. You cannot import them as company. You only import them as what? As contacts. Do you understand what I mean? Hello, do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, we do, sir.
Now you can see their domain name here. You can see what we have here under jmore.com. Look at the information we have here. As jmore.com company contractor, we offer blah 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 blah. It's not a mechanic this thing, but it just then we have ultrapink.com. Okay. Now these are what? Domain names. Okay. That means if you want to import as company, always add what? Domain name, because without domain name you cannot import company. Are we following? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go back to where we came from. Sorry. Now we've done notes here. Okay, then we have what we call emails, we have call, we have task, we have meeting. Now if for example, let me open this up properly. Now if for example you want to call, now have you ever received a call from PalmPay or like Money Points before? Okay.
Yes, come
Now
on.
if for example they want to call you, they can call you through their CRM software. Okay, that's why most times when they call you, you only see their company name or a phone number like 02234, not like
Yes,
a
sir.
normal phone number. Okay, do you know why?
Yes.
Now before you make a call on HubSpot, you must do what? Integrate a calling a dialer or a calling app for you to do what? To make a call. I get what I'm saying. You must integrate what? A dialer. They all call dialer. If you're into what is it called? Not lead generation. If you're into someone should remind me. If you're into not appointment setting, if you're into code
Customer
calling,
service.
no, code calling, they don't call code calling. Okay, if you're into code calling, you'll be making use of what we call dialer. Okay, now they will call code calling and they will call what? Warm calling. Now there are two types of call. cold calling and what warm calling. Now, if for example Palmpay calls you on a phone to introduce their product to you for the first time, okay, that is cold calling. You don't know anything about them, okay? It's called what? Cold calling. Now, if for example they've called you before and you had a conversation with them, okay, and they now call you after 2 or 3 days to continue with their previous discussion, it's no longer cold calling. It's now what? A warm call. Do you understand what I mean? Now you've now it's no the call is no longer strange to you any longer because you've had a conversation with them the previous day. Are we following? So it's no longer cold calling. It's now what? Warm calling. Hello, are we following?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So now before you make a call, you must do what? Integrate what? A dialer, okay? Then here we have a task, here we have a meeting. Now you can see under this Margaret now, Margaret is not associated with any company. Okay. Now I think we have LG. We can decide to associate Margaret with a company, or we can say Margaret is a representative of this company. Okay. You can decide to associate Margaret with this company. You can decide to create a new company, or you can decide to do what? Add existing what? Company. You can see other company here. We only have what? Panasonic Nigeria Limited. Okay. You click. You do what? You add. You save. Now this stuff simply means now you can see here we have what? We have one. That means Margaret is a representative of what? Of Panasonic Nigeria Limited. Are we following?
Yes, where?
Man, make I check how many people there online. 31.
26.
Can
We're
you recap? Can
26.
you recap? I just found myself dreaming. Can you recap?
You find
We are
yourself
26 online.
you find yourself dreaming. You want me I can't recap. Now me cause the dream. Now me cause the dream. Now I said Margaret is a representative of Panasonic Nigeria Limited. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now on that deal here, you can see we've never had any transaction with Margaret. Okay. Margaret is still a lead, which we are trying to do what? To convert Panasonic, they are still what? Lead, which we are trying to convert into our potential, into our customers. Okay. We've not had any deal with them. That's why you're seeing what? Zero. Are we following? Now we've never created a ticket with them. Okay. You can see we've not added any payment link here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can, if you want to send an email, let's say you want to send an email to Panasonic. Now you are not sending to Panasonic direct. You are sending to who? To Margaret Mewe, who is their representative. Are we following? Hello.
Yes, sir, we are following.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Margaret Mewe is the representative to who? To Panasonic Nigeria Limited.
Panasonic.
And you want to send a kind of email to Panasonic. Okay, let's assume we've had a deal with Panasonic before. Let me create a fake deal. Okay, I can come here, type deal, let me create a fake deal. Okay.
Okay.
Let me assume we've done deal with them before. Let me create a deal with them. Panasonic, which on that pipeline? They are under sales pipeline. Which stage are they? Do you know what stage? No, what stage? Now,
Is this the
no, we
Yes.
see,
Yes. Yes.
now appointment setting stage is when you are still trying to, maybe for example, you are still trying to convert someone into your customer. Okay, you are still trying to do what? To convert a lead into your what? Customer. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, let's say now we have qualified to buy. Now you've booked an appointment with this person, and after your conversation with them, they are now what? They are now like the company is now qualified to buy what? To buy your product. Okay. Now we have another stage called presentation what? Schedule. Okay. This is where you present your, maybe your company products okay, maybe in form of Google slide and all those stuff. Okay, now this is where you have decision maker bought in. Now let me tell you this. Now if for example we want to have a deal with Panasonic, and after everything, after having booking appointment, after booking appointment with them, okay, now before they buy our product, now okay, now we've done appointment scheduling, and we've after the appointment scheduling we find out that they are qualified to buy. But before they buy, there must be what decision makers that will say, okay, having gone through this stuff, I think we can go ahead and do what and purchase the products. Are you get what I'm saying? Because a company cannot just go into business like that. Okay, there's what we call decision makers in every company. Are you get what I'm saying? Like the general manager, accountants, the CEO, they will come together and decide and say, okay, I think this stuff will benefit our company. Let's go ahead and do what and purchase what the product or go into deal with them. Okay. Now we have what we call contract sense. Now if after the if like let's say they are done with their decision making, what do you do? The next thing is to do what? To send what? A contract to them. Okay. Now the moment you send a contract, what do you now have? Closed one. That means you finally won the what? The deal. Now if you as a salesperson, and let's say for example your company says each sales you make you're entitled to $800 for each deal you close. Like if you close each deal, you're entitled to what? $800. There's money in sales though, but that is not my niche. Okay. Now if for example you close a deal for this particular company and they gives you like $800, imagine when you close like 5 deals in a month. Am I talking to myself?
Of course, we
No,
are
we are here.
listening.
Okay, now imagine when you close like 5 deals in a month and you have like $800 times 5. That is $4,000 in a month. When you change it, that is about 7 point something million naira. Okay, so for example, if you go out there tomorrow and the company says, we are not going to pay you based on salary, we are going to pay you based on commission. I beg, start off from there. You don't know as God fit take bless you. Start off from there. Okay. Now we have closed lost. This is where after the decision makers must have come together, okay, they will now give you a feedback and say, I don't think this stuff will be beneficial to us. We can't continue with the deal. Now if a company should send this stuff to you as a salesperson, if you run mad though, I hope you know, if you run mad, you know why? because you've been praying for them to do what you've been praying to win the contract. I get what I'm saying. Now if this company should get back to you and tell you, I don't think we'll continue any longer, man, it's very painful. Okay. Now if at this point now we can say we can say contracts, we can say closed one. Okay, we want to assume we've won this deal. Okay, that should be like how much deal. We can say like we can choose like, let's choose this amount here. If you go fit pronounce this money, no wahala. Can you pronounce this amount?
50 trillion.
Okay, now this is the amount we close with. Okay, when did we close this deal? On we can decide to put, we can say on, maybe the deal was closed today. Okay, then who is the deal owner? The deal owner is what? Mr. Clems. Now they're asking what type of deal. You can say new business or existing business. Okay, we can say new business. Okay, and high is the priority. You can say high. Okay, now you can see the representative of this company. You can see Margaret here, right? Margaret Mayway is an associate of this was company. She's the one representing the was company. Okay. This is the company name Panasonic. Okay. We can, okay, let's close this stuff first. We can create. I remember another verse, so may I take my time to teach, I beg. Yeah, I need a rush. Why is the deal not coming out? Why is it not? Let me refresh this stuff. Why is the deal not coming out? Okay, okay. Look at the stuff here. Okay, the deal stage here is what closed because we actually did what we won the deal. Hello, are you following? Hello, hello.
Yes, we are.
Are you guys feeling sleepy?
No, we are listening to you.
No.
No,
Okay,
we are not sleeping.
it's okay. I'll try as
We
much.
just mute. We
I
mute
am, but I'm
because you
fighting
want
it.
us to mute.
Okay. I will try as much as possible to end the class by 11:30. See, hotspot is very big. Oh, okay. Hotspot is not something you teach in one day. Okay. Maybe once we are done with the contacts, tomorrow we do company. Next tomorrow we do how to fill a form and how to do automation. Like it's a step by step. Okay. Hotspot
Okay.
you learn hotspot if you use 2 weeks self 2 weeks they learn hotspot. That's the truth. So hotspot is not something you it's not something you just jump and you have to touch every angle. Now let's say for example you want to send email, okay, to this company. Okay, you want to send a mail to this company. What do? You click on what? Email. Let's say you want to send them you want to send a kind of monthly reports. Okay, what do? You type what? The title monthly what? uh
Report.
is it monthly financial reports, right? You can say
Yes.
monthly financial what? Reports.
Report.
Then maybe okay, we don't have any monthly financial reports here. We can go to chat GPT again and said give me um sample of a monthly, okay, financial what report.
Report.
You enter, you can see what we have here, right?
Yeah.
Now this stuff now is in tabular form. I don't want it to be in a tabular form. Okay, I can start to change it. I don't know if it will appear this way. I can say give me I need a sample of um financial monthly what reports, please, not in a what tabular what form. That's why I said you have to be very careful. You have to know you need to know how to prompt chat GPT. Okay, can you see what we have here now? Okay, it's not in a tabular form. Okay, now you can come here and click. Let's choose anyone from here. um you enter. Can you see what we have here now? Okay,
Yes.
now let's say you want to send these monthly financial reports to um, you know to Panasonic Nigeria Limited through their representative, which is who, Margaret Mewe. Okay, once you are
Yeah.
done, now you can also insert this stuff as image. Where is that image from? I think, okay, it's here. I think it's somewhere here. Documents. Okay, you have not. I've not created any documents. Okay, let's say you want to insert this stuff. Okay, you want to send this stuff now to who? To Margaret Melway, representing where? Representing
Panasonic.
Panasonic. Okay. Now I can decide, once I'm done with this stuff, I can decide to do what? Add to insert a signature here. Okay.
Signature.
Now
Yeah.
the signature should be my name. Okay. Let me just say sorry, this stuff is hanging.
Okay.
This stuff is hanging. Let me go back and insert signature again. You can say it. Ah,
We are sorry. There was an issue
no,
loading
no,
the
no.
email.
Hey, that stuff is a network issue. Be that a network issue.
Oh, okay,
You can
sir.
see it's still loading. It's a network issue.
Okay.
Sorry, as I dey teach, I dey check my phone. I dey expect one kind huge amount of money. I beg. If I don't see
Make
that,
it drop in Jesus'
if I
name.
don't
Oh,
see that money this night, I feel faint too. Because
it go
now
come.
wolf money, now free money. Okay,
It
and
go.
okay, we can decide to insert image. I mean signature. You know what we call signature, right?
Yeah. We know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can type what is going on here? Each time I want to type this stuff, it will hang. Let me just save it first and see. Why is it acting that way?
Probably the
See
network.
I'm here. No, see I'm here. I no type and finish. The thing does come.
Really, sir?
I think it's network. It's network.
Yes, it is.
Olof Clement Obogo. Then I can type HubSpot financial HubSpot financial what? Is it financial expert? Okay.
Yeah.
I can decide to bold this stuff. Okay. Bold
Yeah.
bold this stuff. Then italize this stuff. Maybe then insert. Okay, you can see what we have here, right? Let me see if I can copy this thing. Man, I don't tire.
Sorry. Or will you rest? We'll continue tomorrow.
No. Okay, let's say we are done with this stuff, and this is a signature here right now, okay? And we want to send this stuff to Panasonic through their way, through what is it called? Through Margaret Mayway. What do you do? If you want to send this stuff now, you can send it now, or you can do what? Or you can do what? Or you can schedule, or you can send later. Okay. Now, if you want this email to drop tomorrow, you can click what? Send letter.
And later.
Okay. You click on what? Send letter and choose when. Do you want to send this stuff in an hour time, or you want to send this stuff in 2 hours time, or you want to send it tomorrow by 11 a.m., or you want to send it now, or you can do what? Customize. Okay. You can decide to do what? Customize here. Okay. Then
Yeah.
once you are done, you click on what? Schedule. But for now, I want to send it now. Okay. We send. Please, Margaret May, are you online?
Yes, I'm online.
Okay, can you check your email?
Okay, right away. Okay. I received the one from Dropbox.
Imagine now when that one they
But
drop. Now when that one they drop.
so I've not even received this one.
Okay, you should receive the email because
Yeah.
I've gotten my own email here that I sent out a mail to you.
Okay. I'll just stay on the line.
No need, no need, no need. Maybe anytime you get it, fine.
It's network.
Yeah, it could be network because everything just did done tonight. Now here we have a
Yeah.
task. This is where you create your task. Okay, you can decide to, for example, if Margaret Murray says if Margaret Murray says maybe for example her decoder is not working properly, you can decide to do what? Assign a task to someone here. Okay, maybe any technical person. You can decide to assign a task to anybody here to do what? To do a kind of follow up which was Margaret Murray. You can say for example at Michael, make sure you follow up with Margaret Murray's was consign. Okay, this is where you can book a meeting. This is where to book a meeting. I don't want to go into this now because even me myself I get tired now. I have my lecture by 2 p.m. by 2 a.m. Okay.
Wow.
I need to sleep now. Let's see tomorrow like this now.
Hmm.
Meg, I want to be like you.
It won't be like me. This is the master degree program that I'm doing now. Okay. Now, this is where you create your task. This is where you book your meeting. Then there's what we call log SMS, log a LinkedIn message, log a WhatsApp report, log a call. Now, if Margaret Murray should complain of anything, maybe you can choose where he or she did the complaint from. Okay, either through SMS, either through LinkedIn, either through WhatsApp email, either through a call, or maybe meeting or email, or through what postal what mail. It depends on where the stuff is coming from. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
please, Margaret Murray, can you check your email again?
Yes, I'm checking.
I think it's network. I think it's
Yes,
network.
it is. It
If
even rained. It's rained here this night. So
Okay, now since people are feeling sleepy, do we have let me stop this record.